In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Android phone with alphanumeric lock password. An alphanumeric lock password is a password that contains letters, special characters, numbers. In general, an alphanumeric password is a mixed password. So this video is coming as a request from some of my viewers in the comment section. Some reach out to me via mail that they find difficulty or they cannot enter the airplane mode on their phone by swiping down or from up when their phone is locked. So some phones don't have that functionality. So that's why my former method could not work for them. So this particular method now does not require you turning on your airplane mode. So I'm going to show you how to unlock an Android phone with alphanumeric lock without turning on your airplane mode, and also you don't lose data, and it works on all the Android phone. So guys, let's get started. So first of all, you are going to put in this password here. You're just going to put in unlock. So let me do that again. Unlock 01 in caps. So incorrect password, try again later. So that's right, your password is incorrect. That's not the password for your phone. So what you need to do is to go to the emergency call section, tap on the emergency, and you are going to dial this code with me, please. And I'm going to urge you to follow every step provided in this particular method. There should be no step skipped, because if you skip any step, it's likely not going to work for you. So follow exactly what I'm going to do here. So just dial this number, star 477 053, star 477 053. I'm going to take it one after the other. Star 6892 6892 star 042 042. Confirm the code and you send. So it's going to say call failed. The number dialed is not an emergency number. So press OK. So once you press OK, please wait minimum 20 seconds before you move on to the next step. Because the reason why you need to wait for minimum provided period is for that settings to enter inside your phone. Is for your phone to really assimilate that settings. So guys, while you're waiting for minimum 20 seconds, kindly like the video and also subscribe to the channel if you've not done so. So once you wait for minimum 20 seconds, you're going to go to your password area and type this password, unlock, in caps. I'm going to run the password on the screen in case my camera is not clear enough to capture the password. Type in unlock in caps 02. Recall the first one was unlock 01. This one is unlock 02. So send. It's gonna say incorrect password. Please try again later. Now guys, in case you have a phone that will log you out for some minutes, please just stay tuned. Just wait for the phone to pass the minutes or the seconds the phone will log you out, because there are some phone that once you try a wrong password once, it's going to maybe log you out for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or 60 seconds as the case may be. Just wait till it finish, then you proceed. So after that, you're going to go back to the emergency call center again, and we are going to dial this code. Please follow carefully. We are going to dial this code, star 800 458 star 0024 631 star 911 hash. So confirm what you just dialed. Star 800 458 star 0024 631 star 911. So you send. So it's gonna tell you call failed. The number dial is not an emergency number, so it's okay. Press OK. So you may not need to wait for any time in this particular step we are going into. So just clear what you just typed. So in case you don't know how to clear, you can just go out of the emergency call section, then enter the emergency call section again. So this is our second to the last step. Dial this code right now. Star 6869 at 6869 2394 2394. So please follow star 6869 2394 star 911 star. This one is a little bit longer. 425 032. So confirm before we send. Star 6869 2394 star 911 star 425032, and you put in your pound or your hash sign and send. So it's gonna say called failed. The number dialed is not an emergency number. Okay, so press on OK. Now guys, before we put in our pin, you need to wait minimum 20 seconds. And guys, when I say wait minimum 20 seconds, your waiting time must be at least 20 seconds in order for this method to work for you. Guys, while you're waiting, be sure to like the video if you've not done so, and also subscribe to the channel so you get notified whenever I drop videos like this. I don't just drop video on how to unlock phone if you forget your password. I drop video generally about software review, tech solutions on your PC, on your mobile phone. Generally, I drop video on tech solutions. So guys, subscribe to the channel because you will like the content of my channel. So once you do that, go ahead and dial this password. I'm going to put it on the screen. Unlock in small case, that in small letter, unlock. Then you toggle your capital letter NAP01. Sorry. Unlock NAP1. So guys, that's how to unlock Android phone with alphanumeric password. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.